Today's event is Eduardo Reyna Day here at Brown Middle School, celebrating Mr. Reyna's 50 years in education. So blessed, we feel so blessed, and it's the least that we can do to celebrate a man that's given so much to our students, to our community, to our staff. He's just a one-of-a-kind person. Before being a great teacher, he's a great teacher too, but he's a great person. He genuinely cares about his students, and I think he cares about us as a Brown Middle School family of staff members.
My name is Mary Guzman. I am an 8th grade U.S. history teacher here at Brown Middle School. I had the pleasure and the honor of being in Mr. Reyna's very first class way back in 1972 at Zavala Elementary. And Mr. Reyna has always been a caring person above all. He taught us in a way that was very easy to understand, and he was teaching tough stuff. He is one in a million. There is only one Mr. Reyna, and he has accomplished a feat that very few can accomplish. I don't know a single person that knows Mr. Reyna that doesn't like him or love him, because he made a difference in their lives. He made a difference in mine.
Well, 50 years ago, I feel like I got in this roller coaster ride. It's had its ups and downs, and all the people that have joined me on that roller coaster ride, from school board members to superintendents, and of course, my students and parents. They've been on this ride, and it's been exciting. It's been a great experience. One of the reasons why I've stayed in education for so long is there's never a boring moment. Every day is different. Every day I learn. The university taught me a lot, but the basics of teaching, it was the students that taught me that. I learned from them then, and I learned from them even today. To all my students, I say thank you. Each of them in one way or another have taught me what I know today as a teacher. But I hope that in one way or another that we've learned from each other. And thank you.